everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video, we will know how to fix blank white desktop shortcut icons on your Windows 10, laptop or PC. So let's get started. Now here, please make a right click on your Windows icon and then go click on Run option. And you can also do that by pressing on your Windows and R key all together. Now here, when this is up, please type up data. And then after typing, please click on OK or enter. So here you will see three folders, the local, low, and the roaming. And in case you don't see any folder or one is lacking, please go to view option, and here you need to click on show, and then just make sure that this hidden items option is checked. Now once done, let us go to local folder, and here all we need to do is just go find for the icon cache, and I don't have that here in my folder. So once you found that, please make sure that you make a right click on it and then just go click on the delete button. And after you have done that, let us exit this one. Please make a right click again on your Windows icon and then go to Task Manager, and in here you need to find for Windows Explorer. So it could be under the app section or the background processes. So just make sure that you find it. Okay, so let me just find my Windows Explorer. Okay, so this one, once found, please make a right click on it and then just click on the restart button. And after you do that, please make sure that you make a quick restart with your device and see if it's worked. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.